This is a mid-2012 MacBook Pro unibody A1286. I'm going to be replacing the keyboard, attempting to. I've pulled the battery. I've pulled these 3 screws, and what I've done is I'm laying things out here because I've never done this before. And I've got some tools from iFixit and stuff. These screws were actually, I think, a number T6 Torque star bit. These come out, but I'm electing to leave the fans actually plugged into the motherboard. So I figure I'm not going to undo as many things as I can here. This backlight little connector is really delicate. And what I'll do is get 2 of these little sponger things, picks, and pull them out on both sides. So I put it in, put it out, and let me pause this, and I'll show you what that looks like in a little video here. Let's pause. So that's the backlight, and you pull it out slightly, and I put it back in. So slowly taking this thing apart, but. The standard flaw in the design from Apple is to save a buck, and anyone that would design a power switch integrated into a keyboard is just saving pennies for stupidity. This thing is, as far as I'm concerned, aside from the case, very cheaply built. I've seen worse, but anyway, yeah. But then again, these are, what's the obsolescence, estimate 3 years and you buy a new one. But anyway, I don't know if I'll totally fix this, but I'm going to learn something and share it with you people in YouTube land, because that's what it is. So this is a MacBook Pro mid-2012 unibody A1286, and I'm tearing it apart to replace the keyboard.